She's a self-admitted fashionista, a dedicated actor, and a keen learner. We are with the graceful Crystal D'Souza. Welcome to Bollywood Live, Crystal.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure being here.
So, tell me, what are you wearing today? As you told me, this is something that has been gifted by your
this
fans.
was very, very sweet of my fans. They got in touch with my stylist and asked her what do I like, and got me a dress so that I can wear it for some big occasion in my life. So I think that is, and they sent a cake of the same dress. They sent a card of the same dress. There was a build-up, like how I did a build-up. They did a build-up. First they sent a card, then they sent a cake, and then they sent a life-size dress. So they do so much for me that this is the least I can do for them. So it's a Vidhi Wadhwani dress. My stylist, I had told her long back that I'm looking for a plain white dress.
Right.
And if you find anything, please get it for me.
Yeah.
So she didn't tell me that these fans have done this for me, and they just sent it to my house, and it was such a surprise that this is what I wanted and I got it. That's why I think this is the most apt day to wear something like this, because it has a lot of sentimental value to me. Of course, for me, fashion is something that I'm very comfortable in. This is absolutely comfortable. It's so summery. It's so in style with the cold shoulder going on.
Yes.
And yes, I was wearing heels some time ago, and because I was not comfortable, I changed into wedges. It's fashion.
That's what Crystal does. So yeah, and it's by the fans for the fans. So nothing better than that.
By the fans for the fans.
Yes,
correct.
Acha, tell me. I've heard this thing that you have 3 cupboards in your house, of which one is stacked with unworn clothes. Is it true?
It's absolutely true. So I have an entire room only of clothes.
Oh my
And then
God.
there's a room that I sleep in that also has clothes.
Oh.
So I have so many clothes and so many clothes that I still shop. But yeah, I have a lot of clothes, and there are a lot of ones with tags on and untouched clothes. So maybe, I like them, I buy them, and then I don't end up wearing them. So I could gift them through my app. You never know.
Okay. And if someone raided your closet, what will be that one thing you'll be embarrassed about? कि ये बचपन में लिया था और ये
Embarrassed about, I will actually, so I have a section of my home clothes.
Okay.
So I will totally be embarrassed of my home clothes because none of them are mine. They're all boys' t-shirts.
This is something we didn't know.
It's true because I hate wearing tight clothes to sleep.
Yeah.
And I have an elder brother, so I raid his cupboard and I wear all of his clothes to sleep.
Yeah.
And in the house, whenever I'm at my home, my t-shirts are humongous because they're my brothers, and they're all boys' clothes. Those you'll find some Captain America on it or some superhero on it, and some people that I don't even know on it. And they're loose and they're comfortable and they're not so dressy. So that's what I'll be a little embarrassed about with my home clothes.
But we all do that. Come on, they are the most comfortable
But people
clothes
have
you
an
can sleep.
image of an actor even at home being prim and proper, so I'm not.
Okay, and has it ever happened that you have carefully chosen your outfit for a red carpet and some other actress has turned up in a similar outfit, if not the same?
Never. Touch wood.
God's
never.
grace.
But I still wouldn't find it embarrassing, to be honest. I'd find it very funny. In fact, I'd go up to her and say, let's click a picture together. And I'd put up a caption saying twinning, I think it's okay.
Yeah.
You have that many stylists, you have that many stores, you have that many clothes, So if you ever match with somebody, just make the most out of it, click the most pictures.
Acha, and one makeup item you will never share with anyone?
Kajal. You should never share a kajal with anyone. Yeah, because if someone's having a bad eye day or a sore eye or a sty in their eye and you use their kajal, infection can get around. Yeah, so I don't think kajal and lipstick, because I don't want to be kissing somebody else's lips. So
girls, make a note
I
of
have my
this.
choices of the kisses and the lips.
Girls, I'm hoping that you're making a note of this. And any celebrity whose style statements you follow?
Like I said, Kendall Jenner for sure.
Yeah.
But if you ask me, Bollywood, I really like how Deepika dresses. I think, it's very elegant, there's class, and she keeps it very simple, very nude, very elegant, and I really like that about her. There's nothing that's too much, you know, that you can't handle. She caters to all the age groups, all the types, and she's so beautiful. Yeah, how can you not want to
We're
follow
all
her?
Deepika fans.
All Deepika fans.
Okay, and in your friend circle, is there someone whose style you really like, or you look up to their कि ये क्या पहन के आएगी red carpet में?
Red carpet पे ये क्या पहन के आएगी? You know, you're so tensed on a red carpet of what you're wearing yourself and what you're going to answer, and probably you're nominated or your own performance. You don't really care about what somebody else has done, you know, because we all have stylists for a reason. They do the research. They are more bothered about who was wearing what, not you. That's not your job. As an actor, your job is to look good, talk well, present yourself well, perform well. And that's what I do. I do not care what anybody else is doing. My stylist can care. But sorry, Shreya, I know you also don't care.
But is there pressure on you, like when you go for a...
Of course, there's so much pressure to look different every time, yeah. You have to do a different makeup, hair,
You can't repeat clothes, you can't repeat your look.
You can't, you know, and it's pressure of a different level, because you're like, oh shit, you know, I did this hair last time, now what am I going to do? And there is only that much makeup and clothes that you can do, and that look nice also. So you're always competing, but with yourself, because you're not bothered about what somebody else wore last time. You're bothered about, I wore these shoes, I can't wear them again.
Yeah.
So, or even if I can, I'll have to hide them correctly or give a good excuse.
And you know, na, people zoom in, zoom out. ये क्या किया है? ये क्या किया है? So
all these news people, I tell you.
And tell me 3 shopping places you'll suggest to Mumbai girls.
Street shopping, okay. Colaba Causeway, because my college was Xavier's, so that's where I went to first. Colaba Causeway. Linking Road is street shopping for me, because you know, you get very sasta, as they say in Mumbai language. Sasta, sundar, tikao.
बिल्कुल वही चाहिए.
On Linking Road, and of course Hill Road is the third I'm going to say, because Linking Road, Hill Road and Colaba Causeway, the 3 that I know only.
You get great shoes in Hill Road. Yeah.
Yes,
I love
you
that
do.
place
Yes,
for shoes.
you do.
And tell us, have you ever had a boyfriend who was a shopaholic too? Yes. And
Bigger than me.
Oh, lucky girl. So, what was the maximum amount that he splurged on you?
On me?
Yes.
Oh. That shopaholic used to splurge on himself.
That's the best shopaholic ever. But
you know what? I actually do not appreciate people spending on me, because I don't like to take much from people. You know, you're more obliged. I earn. I have nothing to spend on other than my clothes. So, you know, we shop together. Couples that shop together stay together.
Right. You're obviously looking forward to doing films. So, what kind of a genre will we see you if you make a debut in Bollywood?
Okay, honestly, you know, when I started TV, I didn't plan for TV. So I'm not planning on films, but I do get offered films. I am not liking any of the scripts that I get offered, so I don't say yes. You know, I want to come with a bang and correctly, you know. So it doesn't matter. It could be a grey shade. It could be something that's very different from what I've done. I don't want to do the
regular
kind
stuff,
of stuff. You know, if it's glamorous, it's different, it's something I haven't done, I would like to do something like that. So maybe a musical or a romantic musical is what that's just beautiful in its own way. So something like that.
With this, we come to an end of this interview. Thank you so much for talking to us, Crystal. It was great, and we hope to catch up with you sometime soon.
Yes, of course. Thank you so much. Anytime you feel like catching up with me, you know where to find me on Crystal D'Souza official app, on your app store, on your Android store, on your Play Store, on all the stores that's there. Guys, follow me, and you'll get to see so much more of me.
Download it right now.